Welcome to the 7th tutorial video of MERASALON business app. In this video, we will learn how to add attendance to our staff. For this, click on the attendance section. As soon as we click here, this screen will appear in front of us. Here we can see the names of all our staff members. Below the name, we can see a format: full day, half day, absent, and week of upper. Here we can see one more holiday. Let's understand it with an example. Let's assume that their salary is 30,000. As soon as we select full day, 1,000 rupees will be credited in their account. If we select half day, 500 rupees will be calculated by itself. If it is absent, then nothing will be added. If it is week off, then K salary will be credited for a whole day. If we select holiday, then the full day salary of all staff will be credited automatically. In the next video, we will learn how to see the salary and commission of staff. Thank you for staying with us.